Hi. So we are often asked, are cheek fillers better than cheek implants? So let us try and understand what fillers are and what facial implants are. So when we start aging, we have bone resorption taking place on our faces, the different parts of the face. So as the bone resorbs, our face looks more shrunk. So the resorption pattern or the aging pattern actually starts from the bone, from the fat and on the skin level. So when we are talking about the resorption pattern which is taken place on the bone level, we need to augment that area, or we need to enhance those features. So the most important facial features which normally comes on a patient's when the patient is there is basically his cheek area. So when we are talking about the cheek, we can augment that part of the cheek with using dermal fillers, which is a non-surgical modality, or we can use facial implants, which is again a surgical modality. So trying to compare these two things, they are actually incomparable, because dermal fillers are temporary materials wherein you are going to be seeing instant results the moment you have placed the fillers underneath your skin onto the level of the bone. But the problem with that is basically they last for anything between 6 to 9 months, and we got to repeat it every 6 to 9 months. While when we're talking about the facial implants, we could use porous polyethylene material or silicone material or certain patient specific implants like PEEK material. So when they are placed, it's done, and it is done forever. So it's a permanent solution, and definitely it gives much more enhanced look than when you compared it with dermal fillers. So these are two different things. This is temporary and this is permanent, and they last much more longer, and they last for at least 6 to 9 months. Of course, this is a surgical procedure wherein we have to take you under sedation or under general anesthesia, but once it is done, the recovery is very fast, and the features which we see are much more enhanced than your dermal fillers. If you have any queries regarding cheek augmentation, either with dermal fillers or with facial implants, we do both in our practices. Please feel free to get in touch with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out there. Thank you so much.